Coronavirus, also known as COVID-19. It is really popular because it claimed a lot of lives. The name is actually from the SARS-CoV-2 virus. And yes, it's real. It's a pandemic, meaning it's widespread, either over a whole country or the world itself. Well, enough said. I'm not here to give you a long speech on its origin. This video aims to advise on how to prevent this pandemic, which hit lots of countries. In order to curb the spread of this virus, please pay attention. Let's talk about our hands for a moment now. It is advised by WHO to wash our hands frequently, regularly, and carefully. This should be done with soap and water. Alcohol-based sanitizer can also help keep our hands clean. It's also a good way to kill those germs. Washing your hands with soap and water or using this hand rub kills viruses on your hands. Also, we need to maintain social distancing. Maintain at least 1 meter, which is about 3 feet distance between yourself and anyone who is coughing or sneezing. This is because when someone coughs or sneezes, they spray small droplets of liquid. This can be from their nose or even the mouth. These days, that's actually not advisable, cause they might just have the virus. Too close, and you can breathe in the droplets including the COVID-19 virus, if the person coughing has the disease. Also, please, avoid touching your eyes, nose and mouth. This is because our hands touch many surfaces and can pick up viruses. On contamination, our hands can transfer the virus to our nose, eyes, and the mouth. The virus can enter your body and then make you sick. You should avoid any form of gathering, as it's impossible to tell who has this virus. The practice of what is called respiratory hygiene is also very relevant. Make sure you and the people around you follow good respiratory hygiene. This means covering your mouth and nose with a bent elbow or tissue when you cough or sneeze. Then dispose of the used tissue immediately. This is not only for those who tested positive for corona. By following good respiratory hygiene, you protect the people around you from viruses such as cold, flu and COVID-19. If you have a fever, cough, and difficulty breathing, seek medical care early enough. Stay at home, especially if you feel unwell. Seek medical attention. Call in advance. Follow the directions of your local health authority. The national and local authorities have up-to-date information on the situation in your area. Calling in advance will allow your healthcare provider to quickly direct you to the right health facility so as to protect you and prevent the spread of viruses and other infections. Call in advance and tell your provider of any recent travel or contact with travelers. Even with mild symptoms, such as headache and a slight runny nose, these measures should be taken until you recover. Avoid contact with others. If you notice symptoms, call or visit the available medical facilities. This will allow these facilities to operate more effectively and help protect you and others from possible COVID-19 and other viruses. Please, if we comply, stay isolated, and practice good hygiene, we will overcome this pandemic. Let's stay safe. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.